Roomba, 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 Roomba.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, so like how big is it? I mean, is it even big enough?
Can't believe she's asking me that. Of course, come on. It's big enough to get the job done.
Alright, well, can it still fit into tight spaces?
Can fit in tight spaces.
Okay, so tell me, how long does it last then?
4 hours. And it can recharge quick and easy.
Like, I don't know. I mean,
Like, what do you mean you don't know? It's the first time you're trying this?
it is. Honestly, it is the first time I'm trying
come
it. And I'm a
on.
little bit scared.
Scared? 2 million people have tried this. They don't have a problem. They don't have a problem.
Maybe I'll give it a go. How do you turn it on?
Just press the right buttons, baby.
Okay, well, here, let's see then.
Roomba, 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 Roomba.